everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about pears, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to go well with pears. So if you're looking for some new ideas, some recipe or menu ideas for using pears, hopefully this will help you out. Pears go well with allspice, anise seeds, cardamom, chicory, cinnamon, cloves, fennel seeds, juniper berries, mint, nutmeg, parsley, pepper as in black pepper, rosemary, salt, star anise, tarragon, and thyme. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.